Dear students, in this video we are going to see 10th standard mathematics Kallakurichi district question paper revision test 1 part C. Answer any 6 of the following questions, and question number 24 is compulsory. Here you see the question paper. Question number 17. Let A is equal to the set of all natural numbers less than 8. B equal to the set of all prime number less than 8, and C is equal to the set of all even prime number. Verify that A cross B difference C is equal to A cross B difference A cross C. Question number 17. In 17th question, A, B, C, all the sets are in set builders form or rule form. We have to change these sets in tabular form or roster form. Write A set is equal to, here the set of all natural numbers less than 8. So set A is equal to set of all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here the B set is the set of all prime numbers less than 8. So 2, 3, 5, 7 is the B set, and C is equal to the only one even prime number is 2. You know that. So the set of all even prime number. So 2 is an even prime number. Okay, what is the property is given here? A cross B difference C is equal to A cross B difference A cross C. We are going to verify this property. First we find LHS, left hand side, A cross B difference C. First step, we find B difference C is equal to, write the B set here, 2, 3, 5, 7. Difference C set 2. So 2 is common. So eliminating 2. What is the remaining element in the B set? 3, 5, 7. Now the LHS is A cross B difference C is equal to, first you write the A set cross B difference C, 3, 5, 7. Okay, write all the ordered pairs between the two sets, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, and 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. Then 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7, 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7, 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 7. So these are all the ordered pairs. This is the Cartesian product of A cross B difference C. This is equation number 1. Now we are going to see the RHS. Write the RHS. First we find A cross B is equal to, what is A set? The A set is 1 to 7. So write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cross, what is B set? 2, 3, 5, 7. Now we find cross product of A and B. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. Then 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. Then 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7. 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7. 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7. 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7. 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7. 7, 2, 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 7. This is A cross B. Then find A cross C. Now you write A set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cross, what is C? 2. You write the Cartesian product 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2. Okay, A cross B, difference A cross C. So you eliminate the common elements in the two sets. What are the common elements here? 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2. So the remaining elements in the first set is our answer. So what are the remaining elements here? 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. Then 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7, 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7, 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 7. This is equation number 2. So you compare the two equations, the RHS are equal, so LHS is also equal. So from 1, 2 we get 1 is equal to 2. Thus A cross B difference C is equal to A cross B difference A cross C is verified. Question number 18. Represent the given relation by. What is the relation is given here? Set of all x comma y such that x equal to 2y comma x belongs to 2, 3, 4, 5 comma y belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you represent these relations by an arrow diagram. graph a set of roster form. Question number 18. Given what is the relation here? X comma y such that x equal to 2y, x belongs to the set of all 2, 3, 4, 5, y belongs to set of all 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the relation given here. X equal to 2y is given. Substituting y values, we get x values when y is equal to 1. These are the y elements. So y is equal to 1, which implies x equal to 2 into 1 equal to 2. If y is equal to 2, we get x equal to 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. If y is equal to 3, x equal to 2 into 3, we have 6. If y equal to 4, x equal to 2 into 4 equal to 8. Here you see, if y is equal to 1, the x value is 2. This is an element of x. 2 is the one of the elements of x. Here y is equal to 2, the value of x equal to 4. This is also the elements of x. But we substitute y is equal to 3, the x value is 6. It is not in the values of x. As same, if y is equal to 4, we get the x value is 8. This is not the element of x. First we represent this relation in an arrow diagram. This is the domain, this is codomain. 4, there is a relation between 2 and 1. Then 4 and 2. This is the representation by an arrow diagram. The second one, we are going to draw a graph. This x-axis, x, o, y, you plot these points. Number 1 is 2 comma 1. This is the point 2 comma 1. The second point is 4 comma 2. Points is 4 comma 2. This is a graphical representation. The third one is the set in roster form. Two comma 1 and 4 comma 2. 19th question is the sum of 3 consecutive terms that are in AP is 27 and their product is 288. Find the 3 terms. Dear students, we already solved in this sum in this Coimbatore district question paper. The link is available in the description box. You see and utilize it. Then we are going to see the 20th question. Use Euclid's division algorithm to find the highest common factor HCF of 10,224 and 9,648 is the first question, and the second one is 340 and 412. Euclid's division lemma, you know very well, A equal to B cube plus R, where 0 less than or equal to or less than B. We use Euclid's division algorithm to find HCF. If the remainder is 0, here the B value is the HCF. In the first sum, 10,224 and 9,648. Here A equal to 10,224, A greater than B we take, B equal to 9,648 and Q is quotient, R is a remainder. We use Euclid's division algorithm. So 10,224, you divide 9,648. One time 9,648, 6, 7, 5. So 10,224 is equal to 9,648 into 1 plus the remainder is 576. Here R is not equal to 0. Then you divide 9,648 by 576. One time 576, 14, 8, 5, 8, 8, 3. Then okay. Now approximately it may be 600 to 6 times. Okay, 6 is 36, 3, 42, 45, then 4, 30, 34, 2, 3, 4. So 9,648 is equal to 576 into 16 plus 432. Here remainder is not equal to 0. Then 576 is divided by 432. Quotient is one time, 432. Here 4, 4, 1. So 576 is equal to 432 into 1 plus 144. Here the remainder is not equal to 0. Then we follow the Euclid's division algorithm. 432 is divided by 144. We divide, okay. So this is 3 times. So the remainder is 0 here. So 432 is equal to 144 into 3 plus 0. Here the remainder equal to 0. The B value is here 144. The HCF is 144 here. Here HCF of 10,224, 9,648 equal to, when remainder is equal to 0, the B value is the HCF of the given numbers. So 144. Okay, the second question is 340 and 412. We take A greater than B, so A equal to 412 and B is equal to 340. The second question, here A equal to 412 and B equal to 340, Q is equal to quotient or equal to remainder. So 412 is divided by 340. So one time 340 to 7. Okay. Now 412 is equal to 340 into 1 plus 72. So the remainder is not equal to 0. Then 340 is divided by 72. 340 is equal to 72 into 4 plus 52 or is not equal to 0. Then follow, use the division algorithm. 72 is divided by 52 one time, 52. So the remainder is 20. So 72 is equal to 52 into 1 plus 20. Here the remainder is not equal to 0. Then 52 is divided by 20 2 times. So 40, the remainder is 12. 52 is equal to 20 into 2 plus 12. Here the remainder is not equal to 0. Again we follow the division algorithm. Then 20 is divided by 12. 1 12s are 12. So 8. Then 20 is equal to 12 into 1 plus 8. Remainder is not equal to 0. Then 12 is divided by 8. Here the remainder is equal to 0. When the remainder is equal to 0, the B value is the HCF. Here B is our HCF. So thus the HCF of 412 and 340 equal to 4. This is our HCF.